So here we're going to explain some basics behind ArnoldC since we have coded something in this language. ArnoldC is based on the code called Scala, which allows us to utilize principles to translate from Arnold code into Java. The program itself is only allowed to have simple algorithms since the language is not developed enough to make complex algorithms or complex loops. To explain how Scala itself is working and why we need it, we can compare it to a fish. The question is, what does a fish mean? This is where the components of Scala come into the picture, which are named lexer and parser. These two allow us to translate a given word, sentence, or picture into something more readable, for example Java, and present it in a command prompt. In the code itself, it is based on something called bitcode. And bitcode is a one-way only code. To make this clearer, we can compare it to a stack of paper. You have 4 papers in this stack and you start from top to bottom and you work your way down. So in our code we have these 4 components. First we define our variable, make an addition algorithm, a subtraction algorithm, and a multiplication algorithm. And these are the steps in our program, and you can keep building on it, but you can't go back. And now we're going to present our code made in ArnoldC. So this is an excerpt of our code. It's a very basic algorithm for addition. The program is initiated at the top with get to the chopper, an Arnold Schwarzenegger quote. So we are initiating the algorithm before result. For the second line, we use the variable x in our calculations. And for the third line, we use the operator called getUp along with 5, which helps us calculate our result. We then say enough talk to enter our algorithm and calculation, and finally talk to the hand, which enable us to print the result to the console. Since these are just brief comments on our excerpt of the code, please see Appendix 2 for more.